Question number 6 of exercise 6.2 is, in this particular triangle PQR, A, B and C are points on OP. As you can see that this point A is on OB, B is point on OQ and C is a point on OR, such that this AB is parallel to PQ. This line AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. It is given that. And we have to show that this line BC is parallel to QR. This we have to show that. Okay. So obviously student, parallel lines are given here. So we will apply here basic proportionality theorem. First we will see this AB is parallel to PQ. This line AB is parallel to PQ. So which triangle we will take? Yes, we will take triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, AB is parallel to PQ. So by basic proportionality theorem, what we will get? We will get OA upon AP, OA upon AP equals to OB upon BQ. Okay, this one is our equation number 1. Now again, what is given that? One more thing, it is given that AC is parallel to PR. This line AC is parallel to PR. So for that, which triangle we will take? Now we will take triangle OPR. Okay, in triangle OPR, what is given that? This line AC is parallel to PR. It is given that. So again we will apply basic proportionality theorem. According to this theorem, this line AC will divide other two sides in equal ratios. So what we will get? We will get OA upon AP, OA upon AP equals to OC upon CR, OC upon CR. This one is our equation number 2. As you can see in this equation number 1 and 2, their left hand sides are equal, so obviously their right hand sides will also equal. So what we will get from 1 and 2, this OB upon BQ will equals to OC upon CR. Okay, let us suppose that this one is our equation number 3. Now we will use this third equation in triangle OQR. As we know, by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, if in any triangle two sides are in the same ratio, then this line will parallel to the third side. So now we will apply in triangle OQR converse of basic proportionality theorem. So in triangle OQR, OB upon BQ equals to OC upon CR from 3. So which theorem we will apply here? By converse of BPT, what we will get? BC will parallel to QR. And this we had to show. Okay, so we proved this, hence proved. Question number 7 of this exercise is, using theorem 6.1, it means basic proportionality theorem, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. That we have to prove that. Okay, diagram is not given here, so first we will read question once again, and according to question we will draw diagram. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle. It means first we will draw a triangle. Suppose this triangle is your ABC. Then we have to take the midpoint of one side. Let's take midpoint of AB is your P. Then according to question, a line draw through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side. It means now we will draw a line from this point P parallel to this side BC. Okay, it means suppose on AC this point is your Q. This PQ is parallel to BC according to question. Another side bisect the third side. It means this point Q will bisect AC. Bisect AC, bisect it means two equal parts. It means we have to show that this AQ is equals to QC. That we have to prove. So student, first read the question carefully, then according to question we will draw this diagram. Now we will write what is given in this particular question. What is given that in triangle ABC, first we will write this P is the midpoint of AB. It means AP is equals to BQ. Okay. What we will write? AP equals to BP. Second, what is given that PQ is parallel to BC. PQ is parallel to BC. Okay. These two things given in this particular diagram. Then what we have to prove here? We have to prove here Q bisect AC. It means AQ is equals to QC. AQ equals to QC, that we have to prove. So let's start the proof. Again we will apply here basic proportionality theorem because it is given that this line PQ is parallel to BC. So in triangle ABC, PQ is parallel to BC. It is given that. So therefore by basic proportionality theorem, what we will get? We will get AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. Okay. Now it is given that this AP is equals to PB. AP is equals to PB. So in place of AP we can write PB. Okay. PB upon PB equals to, right hand side we will write as it is, AQ upon QC. What we will write? We will write here given. Okay. Now you can see this PB cancel with this PB and we will get 1. 1 equal AQ upon QC. Now we will cross multiply this, and after cross multiplication we will get QC equal AQ. It means this side is equals to QC, and if AQ is equals to QC, this shows that Q bisects AC. Okay. Question number 8 of exercise 6.2 is using theorem 6.2. It means converse of basic proportionality theorem. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Again statement is given here. So first we will read question once again, then according to question we will draw diagram. Okay, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. It means first we will draw a triangle. Once again we will take triangle ABC. Line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle. It means we have to take midpoints of any two sides of this triangle. So I am taking here midpoint of AB. Suppose midpoint of AB is P and midpoint of AC. Suppose midpoint of AC is your Q. Line joining this midpoints is parallel to the third side, that we have to prove that. It means PQ is parallel to BC, that we have to show. Okay. So first we will write what is given here. In triangle ABC, what is given? P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, it means this AP is equals to PB and Q is the midpoint of AC. So AQ will equals to QC. AP equals to PB and AQ equals to QC. This we have to given. And what we have to prove? We have to prove PQ is parallel to BC. So let's start the proof. Student, it is given that in triangle ABC, this AP is equals to PB. It is given that. If we shift this PB from right hand side to left hand side, it will come in the denominator of AP. So how we can write this? Or next method, maybe you can divide this both side PB. AP upon PB equal PB upon PB. Obviously this PB is cancelled with this PB and we will get 1. As you can see here, what we get, AP upon PB equal 1. Suppose this one is your equation number 1. Now again what is given, that this AQ equal QC. If we divide both sides by QC, what we will get? AQ upon QC equal QC upon QC. This QC cancel with this QC and again we will get 1. AQ upon QC equal 1. Suppose this one is our equation number 2. As you can see, in equation number 1 and equation number 2, their right hand sides are equal. So obviously when we compare both the equation, their left hand side will also equal. So from 1 and 2, what we will get? AP upon PB equals to AQ upon QC. It means sides are dividing into equal ratio. So by the converse of basic proportionality theorem, if in any triangle two sides are dividing into two equal ratios, then the line will parallel to the third side. So here PQ will parallel to BC, and that we had to prove. So we proved this. Hence, proof.